Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this playlist is on knives, where I do not claim to be a knife expert. I'm just sharing knives that I do like, the ones I have purchased. None of these were ever given to me, and like I said, I'm not an expert. I can't tell you the difference between D2 steel and let's see, M4 or DK7 or MOSV or any of those things. I can't tell you the difference in those things, but I can tell you what I like and what I don't like and why I like them. Anyway, Ozark Trail's inexpensive knife. Of course, these are from Walmart, and everybody knows how cheap they are. This is around $7, $6 or $7 or so. 7-inch folding knife with spring assisted open, stainless steel blade, and something else on there. Anyway, it's a good looking knife. Let's take it out of this package right here. Get a little closer look. See if I can open up this little thing right here. Can't grip it. Let's see if I can get this from this side. There we go. So let's just go ahead and keep this one opened up and take a look at it. There we go. There we go. Rip this thing off. Comes with a tip on the blade. Let's get this out of the way. There we go. Comes with a safety tip on the blade. I believe OSHA makes them do that. I'm not sure. I don't think they do it because they just want to. It's got to be some kind of regulation. But anyway, good looking knife. Fits good in the hand. There you go. See this type of blade it is right there. Let's get that away. There you go. Move that out of the way a little bit more. Not bad looking at all. Not bad at all. It's got a not a liner lock, but a frame lock on here. It's not closing all the way for some reason. Let's open this up all the way and take that all the way down and see what happens. There we go. Has a special little lock here on the side. If it's not all the way down, it's not going to open or shut like other knives do. So this little lever right here on the side has to be all the way down this way, and this is a safety lock. So there we go. Got 2 thumb studs, one on each side. A little bit harder to open with the thumb studs. Let's try the assist. There you go. That worked out pretty good. Close it back up. Not bad at all. Break it in a little bit right here. I don't know what kind of bearings are in there, but with this light I can't tell. But for a cheap knife, I don't think it's going to be ceramic bearings in there. There we go. Feels comfortable. Has a tip down style. The pocket clip goes all the way to the top, so it's going to be almost completely concealed. Opens very nice. Just a slightly off-centered from closing, not much to worry about, just very slightly off. Hard for me to open it this way. I gotta use the blade assist. Maybe when it gets used a little bit more, it'll be a lot easier. Steel, I don't know if that's steel or aluminum handle, but it is pretty tough. There we go. Opened up, it should be 7 inches. Exactly 7. And the blade is going to be just a hair under 3 inches. So this is going to be just a hair. That's going to be right at 4 inches. So it is a 7-inch knife. I like it. Got a hollow grind on it. Let's check this out. See what happens with this. Oops. See if I can get this thing going right. There we go. It's got the blade that you would expect on an inexpensive knife. Not bad at all. I'm happy with it. The last one I opened up had a very, very slight chip in the blade. The other Ozark Trail knife that opened up. I think this is going to be a pretty decent knife. Now this is the type of knife that you won't be afraid to lose or afraid to keep in your toolbox, tackle box, glove compartment of your car. Go hunting with it if it falls out. Just grab the next Ozark Trail knife that's in line. I personally don't buy the expensive knives for that reason, because if you use your knives a lot, you're going to lose a lot of knives, or I just say misplace a lot of knives. No matter who you are, I'm sure everybody that's bought one of those expensive knives have lost one in the past. I won't be afraid if I lose one of these $7 knives. I won't like it, but I won't be mad either. I like it. I like this knife. Can't go wrong with the price. Get them at Walmart. Ozark Trails. My name's Carl. I do appreciate you watching.